based here in Nashville, Tennessee, and cowboy boots are almost a lifestyle here. You see them everywhere. I've got several pairs myself, and because of that, we get a lot of boots here in our shop to be resold over and over again. The longer you keep them, the more they get broken in. It's just one of those things you can't get rid of your favorite pair of boots. Well, there's one brand that has really hit the market, especially the online market, and they're just killing it. The reviews for this brand are through the roof. The 5-star ratings these guys have are through the roof, and I'm really impressed with this brand. While we're not going to do a review on this brand today, there will be one in the future, so stay tuned. But for you Tecovas boot lovers out there, there's one thing that you need to be doing on your brand new boots before you start wearing them in, and that is to get sole protectors or sole savers. Boots wear through really quickly, especially the leather bottoms. Again, we see boots in here over and over again to be resold. If you get a pair of sole savers, it's going to save you a lot of time, a lot of money in the future, and that's what we're going to do with this brand new pair here. Put some sole savers on there, so let's get started. All right, so we've got our sole protectors here, and what we want to do is figure out exactly where we want to put these. We'll mark a line, take the other one, mark the same distance. All right guys, so I've got the lines drawn on the boots here. What we're going to have to do now, unfortunately, as nice as that Tecovas mark looks, we're going to have to sand this off, and then after that we'll put the glue on. So let's do some sanding. We have our soles sanded, they are roughened up, and what we're going to do now is put glue on here, a couple of coats of glue. We have our Goodyear sole protectors, which are just thin pieces of rubber with some tread on there, and we're going to put a couple of coats of glue on here as well. And once both of these set up and the glue cures, we'll stick them onto the boots, give them a good press, and then trim it off, and they'll be just about ready to go. So let's put some glue on these. All right guys, so we've got the glue set up on both the sole and the sole protector. What I'm going to do now is stick this on to the boot, and then press that on real good. I'll put it on the press to give it a good seal, and then we'll go from there. All right guys, so we've got the sole protectors put on. We put them on the press. You can see that nice seal there, and we also pressed it really well against the welt line there and got a good seal. So now I'm gonna take the old razor and just trim off this excess. So we've got them trimmed up. See, they look a lot better, but these could definitely be cleaned up a little bit more, left a little bit of a rough edge. So we're going to go run this around a very high grit sandpaper and get that smoothed out even more, and put a little stain around it, and they will be good to go. All right guys, so we finished putting the sole protectors on this pair of Tecovas boots. You can see there, got the sole protectors on, and you can see again just how small the profile is on those. I mean, you can barely see them, but it's going to give you a lot of protection from wearing down those rubber soles here. So now they'll wear, you know, down on this part. Whenever they wear out, we can just peel this thing off, put some new ones on, and you're able to keep the original sole leather on this pair of boots. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed that video. Again, if you like this sort of thing, subscribe to our channel. Click that little bell button so you're notified of all of our new videos. We're trying to put out 2 videos a week to keep you guys informed of you know, shoe products, shoe tutorial videos, and behind the scenes here at our shop. So again, thanks for joining us, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.